Okay, how to fix tired looking eyes / Itachi lines. Okay, before I tell you the best products you need to use, you need to make sure you're doing these 3 things. Number 1, you need to sleep more, 8 hours plus. Number 2, you need to get 2 to 3 liters of water. And number 3, you need to eat less processed food or salt. It makes it way worse. Okay, there are 3 products you want to use. Number 1, an eye cream that's meant for brightening. Number 2, a caffeine serum. And number 3, a vitamin C serum. Okay, this is super important. Make sure you stay out of the sun or you wear sunscreen. What happens is the sun will literally destroy your collagen and any progress you make will just be gone. So stay out of the sun or wear sunscreen. The last thing you need to consider is that it could be from bone structure, a lack of bone support for your eye. However, even if that's the case, you can still support it and make it better doing the right lifestyle changes and doing the right things. So try this out and let me know.